Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to our morning briefing, 90 at 9. Everything you need to start the day in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with the news that the oil price hit a record high of $135 a barrel overnight, and in New Zealand the petrol price, after a long time of waiting and wondering when it would hit, has finally hit $2 a litre. Prices were changed yesterday afternoon. Overseas, the International Energy Authority is revising down its supply forecasts for oil, and there's obviously problems not just in Saudi Arabia, where they just can't seem to increase output when they've told the rest of the world they've got huge reserves, and in Russia too, where supplies have actually dropped for the first time in a decade. US inventories have actually dropped sharply too ahead of the driving season. It's summer over there, so a lot of people jump on their cars and they watch the inventories closely, and they've dropped quite sharply, as that shows the demand is quite strong. However, Ford has just announced that it's cutting output. SUV market share in the United States has actually dropped to 4% in the last quarter, which is amazing. It's been well over 20% for quite some time. That's because obviously SUVs chew up a lot of gas, and Ford used to sell a lot of SUVs. Back home, the budget, Michael Cohen's 9th budget, received a big thumbs down from the market late yesterday and overnight, with the New Zealand dollar jumping sharply and interest rates, wholesale interest rates, rising quite a bit. Economists say that the budget, which they believe is inflationary, will delay an interest rate cut, possibly until December. Ironically, after the election. Obviously not what Labour were hoping for. I'm Bernard Hickey, that was 90 at 9 for interest.co.nz.